Tanmay sir, he is very honest teacher. Uh, when you attend his classes, he's actually he doesn't spoon feed you ever. If you are having bad time with him, that means you're probably having a great lesson. You should not ignore that. He one thing about him is that he goes from too technical to something very philosophical, and that part actually most of the people miss because they cannot relate to it. But if you are keen to understand between the lines and other things, you get really great insights from him. Tanmay sir, before I attended his classes, I was not sure about one aspect of telling story, which was about the shot. One particular lecture, I had shown him my examples of my shots, and he actually criticized on that. That was the time I really understood what exactly the shot was and how it's supposed to be, what actually shot does to a film, and how one should look at it, the shot. That was the most prominent thing I ever remember. that was that was very and that was by accident. We were in a cafeteria and he was making a coffee, and I just asked him that are you making coffee? I was not sure that he was actually teaching in the classes, and then he introduced himself and I was very embarrassed on my behavior, but he is so cool that I just felt at home with him. I think there are a lot of people, a lot of teachers who actually go about process. They have methods on teaching. They talk about the different like a process. And they have very certain way of teaching, very bookish. But Tanmay sir isn't anything close to that. He is actually has a very personal way of handling the students. He never really goes very formal with anybody, yeah. And he never answers you. The way he does it is that he actually gets the whole of you, the inner you, your confusion, your problems, and he actually questions them. He makes you look at them with his own return questions, so you are in the process of finding your own truth, and that is really amazing. And that's why I think if you really want to keen on if you're keen on making something really artful with taste, I think you must attend Tanmay sir's classes. Tanmay sir's way of looking at life is very cool. Cool in the sense it's not like a cool like a teenage kind of cool. It's like he expects one should go along with the flow of the things, the world you are in, and needs to learn from it. And that's what the thing about it. When I was before attending his classes, I was mostly too much like a geek kind of thing. After meeting him, I was actually spread it out. That was a thing I remember. Uh, After the graduation from JJ School of Arts, actually I was hired in UTV Toons as an animator. It was a great experience. I worked on many projects in 2D classical animation. After that, I went to Canada, worked in some studios over there. I worked in Flash animation, and then several other aspects of animation, which is storyboarding, character designing, and worked for many clients like Walt Disney, Warner Brothers, and some studios in Canada. They were really good. Bardell Studios, Halifax, like Copernicus Studios, many things. After some few days, I was kind of saturated with the whole experience. I wanted to more expand, but I was not sure. It was his class which made me feel that I could really be confident in live action. Before that, I was just thinking as an option, and after attending him and taking experience of his, I realized that yes, this is the way I'll find myself more better.